there, homeowners. Ever wondered how much it really costs to keep your home cool and comfy with air conditioning? Let's break it down. First up, central AC systems. These are the big guns, perfect for cooling your entire house. They typically range from $3,500 to $7,500, and yes, that includes installation. Next, we have mini split systems. These are great for zoning, meaning you can control the temperature in different parts of your home individually. They'll cost you about $2,000 to $5,000 per zone. And for those smaller spaces or budget-conscious folks, there are PTAC Units. These packaged terminal air conditioners are usually found in hotel rooms, but can work great for home use too. They cost between $800 and $1,500. Now, let's talk financing. Upgrading to a high-efficiency system can save you money in the long run, but the upfront cost can be a bit daunting. The good news? Energy rebates and tax credits are often available to help offset these costs. Make sure to check your local incentives. You might be surprised how much you can save, so there you have it. The lowdown on air conditioning, costs and financing options. Remember, investing in a good AC system isn't just about comfort, it's about smart home management. Keep cool, everyone. Cheers for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more handy homeowner tips. See you next time.